Hello and welcome to my channel. In this video we're going to be making the most delicious chocolate cake without mixer. Please kindly like, share and subscribe most importantly. We're going to be needing our flour, 2 cups of flour, sugar, 2 cups of sugar. Please make sure you sift your flour. Then we're going to be needing 2 teaspoons of baking powder and 1 tablespoon of baking soda. We're going to be making our buttermilk. Then we'll be needing vanilla and chocolate flavor. Also be needing our salt to balance the taste and vinegar for the buttermilk. Most importantly, our cocoa powder and 2 large eggs. Okay, so the first thing we are going to do is to combine all the dry ingredients together. So we are going to mix our flour into the sugar, then add the cocoa powder. Okay, it's important that you also sift the cocoa powder, measure it. The cocoa powder is 3/4 cup, right? So you sift the cocoa powder to rid it of any lumps, okay? Because most of them in their packaging, sometimes they are already lumpy, okay? So you have to break them down and sift them into your flour. This is how I do mine. Then you add in your baking powder, 2 teaspoons of baking powder. Also add in 1 teaspoon of baking soda. Then also sift this. Okay, look at the lumps in the baking soda. You have to sift it. Then add your salt. Okay. So the next thing we are going to do is to prepare our buttermilk. You prepare your buttermilk by 1 cup of buttermilk by by measuring a cup of milk. Then take out 2 tablespoons of buttermilk. Then you add 2 tablespoons of vinegar, white clear vinegar. Okay, so what did I say? Measure a cup of buttermilk, take out 2 spoons of milk from the 1 cup, then add 2 full spoons of white clear vinegar. Okay, then you notice that you keep it for a while, then you notice that the milk has curdled. Okay, that means it has formed the buttermilk. So you pour that into another bowl. Measure your 1/2 cup of vegetable oil. Okay, after that you add in your eggs. Okay, so please break your eggs into a bowl before adding it, a separate bowl before adding it into your other wet ingredient mixture, so that you are sure that the egg is good. Okay, before you add it into the larger mixture. So I'll add 2 into the bowl of the other wet ingredients. Okay, and then after that I mix the wet ingredients together. Mix them together rather. Then mix the dry ingredients. Mix them together as well. After that is done, you add in your wet ingredients into the dry ingredients. Okay, add in the mixture of buttermilk, oil, eggs into your dry ingredients. Then you mix and mix and mix. Then your hot water should be boiling on the fire by now, because you're going to add it now. So measure 1 cup of boiling hot water, very hot water. Then pour it into the mixture. Please make sure you do it this way. This will help you activate the taste of the cocoa powder. Okay? So mix, 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 and mix. Mix and mix and mix. You can use your, like I'm doing, use your egg whisk or use your turning stick. This does not need a mixer, okay? So add in your flavors rather. You can choose to use only chocolate flavor, right? And that will be 2 teaspoons of chocolate flavor. But if you want to use the vanilla and chocolate, you make them 1 teaspoon each. So this is how your batter should look. Don't worry, it's not watery. It looks watery, right? But it will definitely form the cake you want. The most delicious chocolate cake ever, because I'm a chocolate cake lover, and I tell you, this does it for me. I mean, I really like this chocolate cake. Anytime I'm baking for a customer, I used to have my own baked separately, or I take part of the one I bake for a customer, So pour it into your cake pan. Please always make sure that you add a baking paper or brown paper beneath your cake pan before pouring butter into it, so that it does not stick. This cake is very, very moist, right? You see, it's very watery, so it would definitely come out moist. So it's always best to use a baking paper or brown paper. So our cake is done. It's out of the oven. Okay, cake is out of the oven. Let's take it out. Okay, you see, because I now use baking paper, some part of it broke. Stuck to the baking pan, but it's okay. So look at our cake. This cake is super delicious. I'm telling you, I'm not even joking. You're really going to enjoy it. So let me know in the comment section if you're going to be trying this anytime soon.